Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Today we will design a model of a table with retractable wheels, lifting wheels. Retractable casters, lifting wheels, let a table sit solidly on its legs most of the time, and only touch the floor when you activate a lever or cam to lift the table a small distance so it can roll. Basic idea. The casters are mounted on a separate bracket or lever, not directly at the bottom of the legs, so they can move up and down relative to the table. In parked position, the table legs or adjustable feet are lower than the wheels, so the table stands firmly on the floor and does not move. Begin by opening Solidworks and loading the prepared model. In this project, the main components have already been created, and the focus will be on the assembly workflow. The base structure is a table frame modeled from 2.5 by 2.5 HSS, which will be inserted first into the assembly environment. After placing the frame, the next component is the caster bracket. This bracket holds two wheels and has 3 by 3 HSS bushings welded to the sides, allowing the bracket to be moved up and down a 2.5 by 2.5 inch square profile. Once the bracket is added, it is positioned on the table frame so that it can move freely along the table legs, demonstrating the lifting mechanism motion. The next part is a lever and a roller. The roller will apply force onto the bracket too with the casters. Next, we'll add a hole in the table to accommodate the lever installation, ensuring proper range of motion for lifting and lowering the table. Next, continue with the lever subassembly. Assemble the lever together with a pin, which will be used as the pivot, and mount the lever to the table frame using the previously created hole. You can now see there is an interference condition with the tabletop, so introduce elongated slots in the tabletop to provide the required clearance for lever motion. Once the interference is resolved, add a T-handle locking pin and create a corresponding hole in the frame so the lever can be positively locked in the raised position. Now all that's left is to add this system to the right side, mirror or copy the entire mechanism so the lifting system is symmetrical. After this, you can test the unit to ensure that the bracket, wheels, and arm move smoothly and lift the table, allowing it to move freely on the casters. If this walkthrough is helpful, consider liking the video and leaving a comment to support the channel. The 3D model for this project is available for download at the link in the description. Thanks for watching.